Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. You can also visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2017 Transit passenger van. It's a 350 XLT in white with charcoal black cloth interior, seating for 15. It has a 3.5 liter V6 engine and it's a rear wheel drive. It also has a backup camera, navigation, and a trailer hitch. It's really easy to get into this van. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power, windows, and locks. The driver's seat is powered, and you also have a heating control off to the side. There's this nice step making it easier to get in, and your lighting controls are located here. There's also a cup holder. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it you have your dash controls, cruise control, and sync voice activated system. You also on the left hand side here have lane keeping, as well you have your traction control, and these is your parking sensors. We're going to start up the vehicle, and on your dash you're going to see any important messages. As well, you've got a menu that you can toggle through. So just wait for that to come up and get in there for you. And it lets you know any important messages that you may need to know as well. Trip 1, Trip 2, information, settings, and these all have submenus. You also have an automatic select shifter, and you have tow haul. So when you press this, you'll see it to the left hand side there, and then it'll go back out again. You've got a display screen here, and I'm just in the settings screen. You can touch on this and slide through, so Wi-Fi, Android Auto, and other options like Bluetooth. We can go into the audio for your media choices, and it's AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You've also got navigation, which is really nice on this vehicle. And when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see that backup camera view. And there you go. As well, you're seeing your tuner and source, and you have hazard lights. Below that is your climate control, AC, as well as max AC. And you have your defrost, 12 volt. There's the USB, another 12 volt, couple of cup holders, or a cup holder in there and some bins. Each seat up front, as well as the second row, have armrests. There's a glove compartment up above, manually dimming, rear view mirror, and you have climate control up here, as well as lighting controls for the overhead. There's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. 16-inch wheels, and you're seeing the cover for the capless easy fuel gas filler. There's black handle. Tinted glass. In the back, you also have more tinted glass on the Dutch doors. As well, you have your backup camera, which is beside the license plate holder, backup sensors on your bumper, as well as a trailer hitch with 4 and 7 pin connector. And then when you want to open that up in the back, simply put your hand to the right in the handle and pull. And then there's a handle off on the left hand side here. You just push that. And now you're seeing those 4 seats in the back. And then when you want to close it up, simply swing it closed, swing the other one closed, and you can lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Sliding door for the rear passenger side. Simply grab the handle and pull. It'll slide right back. And you've got a running board as well as a step, making it easier to get in. There's a grab handle in the body. In the second row, you have seating for 3, then split seating for 3 in the third. The fourth has split seating again. I'm just going to climb in here to give you a better view. And in the back row is 4. So you have a total seating of 15 in this van, and that includes the driver's seat. Up above there's vents and lighting, as well as cup holders off to the side. And then when you're ready to close everything up, you simply slide the door closed, and away you go. Privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.